So welcome back, you guys. I'm back with another video. Here I am just going ahead and putting that concealer under the eyebrows. We already did those off camera, and here we are with the brown reddish shade, or I guess you could say kind of like a maroon kind of color, and we're going ahead and putting that all over the eyelid, basically more in the outer corner. And then we're cutting out that crease with that same concealer there. We're going to go ahead and blend that out as well. And then now we're just adding in that lighter shade to go into that cut crease. Now we're just going to go ahead and deepen that cut crease there with that same color. And we're going to blend that out. Now we're just going in and adding some glitter. I was like, okay, what if we do a glitter cut crease? So I just went ahead and started adding that glitter in all over the lid there. I side-eyed y'all. I asked y'all, was it okay? Y'all didn't say anything. And now I had the wonderful idea to go ahead and add some black in there. I was like, let's smoke it out. Let's see what's going on. Let's try this. So that's what you see me doing here, just adding that black in. Yeah, and then I quickly decided that was a no. We're going to go ahead and wipe that off and let's start over, okay, bookies? All right, and then we're coming back in with that same shade. I know y'all are probably like, Tori, we just did this. It's okay. Trust the process. Trust the process. It's gonna look good, I promise. Adding that concealer back in here so we can cut out that crease. And here we are, just blending that out there just to make it look better. Go ahead and blend that into that other shade. And then we're going ahead with the lighter shade like we did before. Don't worry, I promise you guys it's going to work out. Now that we have that brighter shade going in, we're going to just deepen those outer corners a little bit more here. And you see I added another shade as well, just to have everything flow. Here I'm going in with just a pop of that blue glitter shade. Yeah, it's looking better already. And then we're going to go ahead and add in that eyeliner. I don't know about you all, but eyeliner takes me so much time sometimes. I just want to be so precise. That's why y'all really only see me do it maybe like one eye, because it takes such a long time. I just want it to look crisp and cute, because once it gets too thick, we out here looking like raccoons. So we don't want that. Then we're going to go ahead and pop on those lashes. We don't take long to do that. Put that glue on, pop those lashes on, and keep going. We're going to go ahead and start putting on that foundation, and we're blending it out with the Damp Beauty blender all over the face, making sure that it's all blended correctly. And of course, we're going to go ahead and that concealer as well and start getting that to blend out also. And here we're going in with that Fit Me powder. Just everywhere I put the concealer, we're making sure that that's put in. We're going to go ahead with that bronzer as well and go ahead and blend that in on the cheeks and down the nose and on the forehead. Then we're going to add a little blush, just a little bit. We'll blush here on the cheeks. Yeah. Of course, we got that Milani setting spray and our highlighter here. Favorite part, you guys already know. Just put it on the apples of the cheeks, the nose. lastly, we're just going ahead and doing those lips, lining them, putting the lip gloss on, and this is the finished look. We're going to get into these slow-mos. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.